Unboxing the CMF by Nothing Buds Pro and Watch Pro. Certainly the most unique packaging we've seen for 2023. You get a charging cable, extra smaller and larger ear tips, plus some manuals. The CMF Buds Pro feature up to 45 decibels of hybrid active noise cancellation, custom LCP drivers for better bass, and up to 39 hours battery life. The earbuds also have IP5 for dust and water resistance too. The CMF Watch Pro features innovative packaging. The new CMF Watch Pro comes with a charging cable, straps, and a manual. A bit of self-assembly required. The CMF Watch Pro has a 1.96-inch AMOLED display, has IP68 water resistance, fitness tracking, and up to 13 days battery life.